Business analysts help organizations in improving processes, products, administrations and software through data analysis. These coordinated and agile workers straddle the line among IT and the business to help overcome any gap and improve effectiveness. Business analysts are answerable for overcoming any barrier among IT and the business, utilizing data analytics to survey and assess processes, decide necessities and convey data-driven suggestions and reports to executives and stakeholders. But draw in with business pioneers to see how data-driven changes to process, products, administrations, software and hardware equipment can improve efficiencies and add esteem. They should verbalize those thoughts, balance them against what's innovatively attainable and monetarily insensible. Contingent upon the job role, you may work with informational indexes to improve products, hardware, software, tools, services or process. Business analyst expected set of responsibilities. BA are liable for creating new models that help business analysis choices by working intimately with financial reporting and IT groups to build up initiatives and techniques to improve reporting and to enhance costs. You'll require a strong comprehension of regulatory and reporting necessities, just as a lot of involvement and experience in forecasting, planning and monetary analysis joined with comprehension of key performance indicators. The function of a business analyst skills is continually advancing and changing, significantly as organizations depend more on information to exhort business activities. Each organization has issues that a business analyst can address, regardless of whether it's dealing with obsolete legacy frameworks, evolving technologies, broken cycles, low client or customer loyalty or silos. Large organizations. Business analyst abilities. The business analyst skills and the position requires both challenging aptitudes and soft abilities. BA need to realize how to pull, investigate and report information trends, and have the option to impart that data to other people and apply it on the business side. Not all business analysts require a foundation in IT as long as they have an overall comprehension of how frameworks, products and tools work. Then again, some business analysts have a solid IT foundation and less involvement with the business and are keen on moving ceaselessly from IT to this hybrid job role. Business analyst pay scale. The average compensation for an IT business analyst is $68,000 per year, as per information from PayScale. The most generously compensated BA are in San Francisco, where the regular compensation is 28% higher than the national average. New York is second, with announced pay rates 18% higher than the national average. Boston comes in third, with a 7% higher yearly compensation. Certifications. Even though business analysis is a generally new discipline in IT, a small bunch of organizations effectively offer certifications to help support your resume and demonstrate your legitimacy as an analyst. Associations, for example, the IQBBA, IIBA, IREB and PMI each offer their custom-made certification for business analysis. Training camps. In contrast to certifications, which intended to demonstrate the skills you already have, training camps are designed to show you unique skills or improve your current range of abilities. Training camps can be anything from regular workshops held throughout the course of a few days or full-fledged, instructor-led courses that run for quite a long time or months all at once. Regardless of what your preferred learning style is, you can discover a boot camp to suit your necessities. Business analytics software and tools. Business analysts commonly depend on software such as Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, SQL, Microsoft Access, Google Analytics and Tableau. These tools help BA gather and sort information, make graphs, compose documents and design visualizations to clarify the findings. You won't need programming or database skills for a business analyst position, yet that you as of now have these skills, they won't do any harm. The sort of software and tools you'll need to utilize will rely upon your job title and what the organization requires. The function of business analysts in software improvement. Business analysts utilize real-time client information and analytics programs to distinguish client trends, practical functions and potential client appropriation issues with the applications. As data turns out to be more critical to associations, so work business analysts. One of the vital qualities in the idea of the BA moving into being a product owner, as the entire line among IT and advanced digital and software development and business shifts, is that this job role has become increasingly energizing.